एक ऐसा सब्जेक्ट जो कॉलेज के हर एक स्टूडेंट को कंपैरेटिवली इजी लगता है एंड उसको लगता है डीएसए करते इसके सवाल तो कर ही लेंगे। एंड 43% ऑफ डेटा रिलेटेड जॉब्स इस सब्जेक्ट को एक नेसेसिटी मांगती है। वेल, अब तक आपने गेस कर ही लिया होगा, SQL. Well, in today's video, I'm going to tell you top 8 high-paying jobs that requires SQL as a must-have skill. Okay, so let's get started and see what are the top 8 high-paying jobs that demand SQL. Well, before we start, let us understand what is SQL. SQL is a structured query language. It is basically a language, a programming language wherein we can store the data. We usually write the queries to store, modify, update all the databases that we have, right? And during our college days we used to study this in the subject of DBMS, that is database management system, right? While managing the databases we use a programming language which is a structured language actually, called as SQL. Okay, so at the 8th position, we have the role of database administrator. He is the one who is responsible for maintaining and the performance of an any organization's database. कौन से database होने चाहिए, कौन से किसके साथ linked होंगे, what is one to many, which is many to one, and all of that, right? He or she uses SQL to create, update, or troubleshoot databases and also to monitor and optimize the performance. The average salary range is 6 to 12 LPA. Now, the next position, that is the 7th, is that the role of data scientist. SQL is used by the data scientists to extract, clean, analyze large data sets, and also data scientists, what they do is they find out insights and also some data driven decisions or techniques by which the company can grow more and more. They also use some machine learning algorithms and techniques to build some predictive models of what will happen inside the business if such and such steps are taken. The average salary range is that of 8 to 15 LPA. Next role comes is that of a business intelligence analyst. A business intelligence analyst also uses SQL to find out, and to find out also, and also to extract and analyze the data from various sources and find out the insights. Okay, the average salary range is again same of that of 6 to 15 LPM. Next role is that of a data analyst. Data analyst uses the SQL to extract and analyze data to support decision making and strategic planning for an organization. He or she also uses it for statistical visualizations of the techniques to present data in the form of insights for the company to know which month kotni zyada sales हुई, kitni kam sales हुई. All of that is done by the data analyst, and again the salary range is from 6 LPA to 18 LPA. At the 4th position, we have the role of a data engineer. Data engineer is basically the one who is responsible for designing, building, and maintaining the systems and the infrastructure that support data storage and analysis. Okay, that use SQL to extract and manipulate the data for use in the data pipelines and data warehousing. Okay, and the salary range is from 9 to 18 LPA. The next is the big data engineer. Big data engineer is the one who is responsible for implementing all the big data solutions, such as the Hadoop, the Spark, and also it is used to, he or she is responsible to store the data and also to analyze that. The salary range is that of 10 to 20 LPA. Next is the data warehousing manager. Data warehousing manager is the one who is responsible for designing and managing the organization's data warehouses. अभी हमने देखा था एक database administrator था, that is the one who is responsible for designing and managing the databases, and here we have the database manager who is responsible for managing the data warehouses. Okay, and again the salary range is from 8 LPA to 20 LPA. Okay, and at the very first position we have the role of data architect. Data architect is a person who is responsible for designing, and also he's responsible for overseeing an organization's data systems and strategies, कि कैसे कैसे हम कितनी efficiently, कितने optimized way में data को store कर सकते हैं, so that it's easier for everyone to fetch data, to modify data, to update data, and also to store the data in an efficient manner. Okay, he or she uses SQL to basically extract the data, to load the data and make into the data warehouses. For what purposes? For like reporting or maybe analyzing and stuffs like that. Again, the salary range for data architect is that of
from 8 LPA to 20 LPA. So this was all for this video. If you like this video and watched it till the end, make sure that you comment down below I have watched it till the end, and do not forget to please like, share and subscribe to my channel for more such amazing content. If you want to know job roles related to any other skill, type down in the comment box and I'll make next video on that. Thank you so much.